Hello friends, welcome to BhuvanaSekhars kitchen. Today I am going to show mushroom gravy. So let's get started. In a pan or a kadai, take 5 to 6 spoons of oil. Once oil gets heated, add one finely chopped onion and saute it for few seconds. After onions are slightly brown, add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Now add mushroom pieces. Here I used 400 grams of mushrooms, which are 2 packs, and mix it well. After sauteing it for a minute, add turmeric powder and salt as per your taste and mix everything together. Now add red chili powder. Based on your spice level, you can increase or decrease. Mix it well. And also add coriander powder of 1 tablespoon and mix well. Keep a lid on it and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it well once again, and here you can check a salt consistency. Now add green sorrel leaves, which is also called Chukkakura. I used 2 bunches. Mix everything together and keep a lid on it and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix it once again and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our mushroom gravy is ready to serve. Hope you like it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.